Taking a U-turn is very easy. The turning radius is brilliant on this car. Oh, amazing turning radius. And that's the pickup. That's your typical Suzuki engine, gives you good power. So this is the 2017 Baleno. This is the Delta version. This has done just 24,000 kilometers. As you can see, the car is very well maintained, and this being the the Suzuki offering from Nexa is probably one of the best selling cars. And this one especially being the 24,000 kilometers, very low mileage, completely clean body line without many dents, scratches. Whoever owned this car maintained it really well. So this is the side profile of the car, completely sleek and well finished in this grey color. So comparing this and the Swift, I find this a little more roomier on the inside. It's much more easier to drive. This is a 4-cylinder engine. The Swift comes in the 3-cylinder engine, and this being the Delta variant comes with the wiper at the back. You get these reverse sensors, but you don't get the rear camera. You get a music system, but you do not get the touchscreen music system. A nice wide opening boot. A little high loading capacity over here. I mean, the height of from the ground is a little high, but otherwise it's a compact boot. So you've got the boot switch over here. So you get a nice spoiler at the back. That comes as a part of the design. I think except for the base variant, most of the other Balenos come with the same design. So on the inside, the doors open pretty wide. This being the Delta variant does not have the seat adjusting, height adjusting option in the seat. You do get steering mounted controls, you get 2 airbags, you get a built-in music system, automatic climate control, you have the manual gearbox over here, you got lots of space to keep your things, you got space in the center as well. You can add an additional aftermarket accessory over here for your armrest. But otherwise, this car has a very nice black and silver finish. These are the OEM seat covers from Nexa. So this is my first time driving the Suzuki Baleno, and this is the first time I'm buying a Suzuki Baleno as well. I've owned a Swift in the past, but never a Baleno. So Balenos haven't been my favorite car to procure, and this is the first Baleno I'm buying. This is a 2017 single owner, done just 23,900 kilometers, and this is the Delta variant. This is a 1.2 liter naturally aspirated engine, and I'm just taking this for a test drive. So I've already bought the car and I've just picked up, and what I've noticed, the car is practically brand new. It's done just 23,000 kilometers, say 24,000. Suspension is brand new. The steering is a little hard because it's not been used. A little bit of freeing up is needed. Otherwise, this being the Delta version, comes with a music system, comes with an automatic climate control, it comes with steering mounted controls. You can adjust the steering, but there's no telescopic steering. You have a nice MID display of with the blue lights and all that. But otherwise, this car is a typical first car you can buy around the 5 to 6 lakhs range, and that too in this price segment with these kind of miles on it or kilometers on it. It's very rare to find a car this good. The body line of the car is pretty good. It's very neat and clean. There's just been one door that has been replaced, and every record is there with Maruti. So the car's been maintained and it recently went for service in about February. All service records are available for this car, and that is probably the reason why I chose this car. One, it is a very fuss-free car to sell. Maruti Balenos, Suzuki Balenos or the Nexa Balenos, they are one of the best cars to own. They give amazing mileage. They're very, very cheap on maintenance, very reasonable on maintenance, very easy to drive in streets like this, very good for bumps such as this. You also get amazing ground clearance and clarity as well. Like, look at this. I mean, like, I'm still able to manage this out, and that's how good the visibility in this car is. Nice, clean, flat dashboard, nothing too fancy. Nice soft touch material, which it actually looks good. They're given this system, which is the basic system. Nice premium looking vents, nice premium looking design over here, black and silver. The steering wheel, you've got your Bluetooth controls over here. You've got 2 airbags, and you've got nice big seats. This is one thing I like about this car as compared to the Swift, because Swift has a little smaller seats, whereas for people like my size, this is the right amount of comfort that I need. So driving this car in city is pretty good. You can see I'm maneuvering through these broken roads. So turning this car in tight spaces is very easy, very comfortable to drive. I don't want to say anything about the engine because there's too many people who have spoken about the engine. But on the aspect of a city car for about 5 to 6 lakhs, if you're looking at something in this price range, a smaller car, then this would be the right pick. If you're a very you're a choosy spender, you do not want to spend a lot more on service, maintenance, etc., then this is the car you should be going for in this price range. You will not get a Baleno, a good maintained Baleno or a Swift under the 5 lakhs. It is very, very difficult. I've been also looking for cars in that price range, but unfortunately good cars come at good prices.